Wanderlust warriors, ever dreamt of exploring America's vast landscapes, from sun-drenched beaches to snow-capped peaks? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on an adventure to discover 25 most stunning destinations in the USA. Get ready to experience diverse ecosystems, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems that will leave you speechless. 1. Yosemite National Park, California. Granitic cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient giant sequoia trees create a majestic scene in Yosemite. Hike to Half Dome or Glacier Point for breathtaking views, or capture the iconic El Capitan Rock Formation. 2. Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. A million years of erosion carved this colossal canyon, leaving behind a masterpiece of colorful rock formations. Hike the rim for awe-inspiring vistas, or take a thrilling helicopter tour for a truly unforgettable perspective. 3. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Geysers erupt, mud pots bubble, and colorful hot springs paint the landscape in Yellowstone National Park. Explore this geothermal wonderland, home to diverse wildlife and iconic features like Old Faithful Geyser. 4. Hawaiian Islands, Hawaii. Paradise found. Crystal clear turquoise waters lap against pristine white sand beaches. Volcanoes loom over lush pine forests, creating a dramatic contrast. Relax in luxurious resorts, explore vibrant coral reefs, and experience the unique culture of this island paradise. 5. Monument Valley, Arizona and Utah. Towering sandstone buttes rise from the desert floor in Monument Valley, a landscape that has served as a backdrop for countless Western movies. Hike through the dramatic scenery on a Jeep tour, capture iconic photos, and experience the vastness of the American Southwest. 6. Glacier National Park, Montana. Towering mountains, pristine alpine lakes, and lush valleys create a breathtaking scene in Glacier National Park. Hike along the iconic Grinnell Glacier Trail, spot diverse wildlife, and soak up the beauty of this crown of the continent. 7. Acadia National Park, Maine. Dramatic granite cliffs, pristine beaches, and vibrant fall foliage make Acadia National Park a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike Cadillac Mountain for sunrise views, explore charming coastal towns, and kayak amongst picturesque islands. 8. The Florida Keys, Florida. A string of islands connected by bridges, the Florida Keys offer a laid-back atmosphere and stunning natural beauty. Go snorkeling or diving in the crystal-clear waters, explore vibrant coral reefs, and soak up the sunshine in this tropical paradise. 9. The Blue Ridge Parkway, North Carolina and Virginia. A scenic route winding through the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Blue Ridge Parkway offers breathtaking vistas and a variety of outdoor activities. Hike along scenic trails, admire cascading waterfalls, and experience the vibrant fall foliage. 10. The Na Pali Coast, Hawaii. Emerald cliffs plunge dramatically into the turquoise Pacific Ocean on the Na Pali Coast. Hike along the Kalalau Trail for breathtaking views, kayak along the rugged coastline, or witness this natural wonder from a scenic helicopter tour. 11. Kenai Fjords National Park, Alaska. Experience the drama of glaciers carving their way through towering mountains in Kenai Fjords National Park. Embark on a boat tour amidst towering fjords, spot playful otters and majestic whales, and witness the raw beauty of Alaska. 12. Zion National Park, Utah. Red sandstone cliffs rise from the desert floor, creating a dramatic landscape in Zion National Park. Hike the challenging narrow Slot Canyon, witness the iconic Emerald Pools, and experience the exhilarating thrill of the Angel's Landing hike. 13. Carmel-by-the-Sea, California, ***. This charming coastal town offers a romantic escape with its fairy tale cottages, world-class art galleries, and picture-perfect beaches. Stroll down Carmel Beach alongside friendly dogs, explore hidden coves, and savor delicious meals at acclaimed restaurants. 14. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, North Carolina and Tennessee, ***. Home to the densest forest ecosystem in the eastern United States, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park offers a haven for nature lovers. Hike along scenic trails with cascading waterfalls, spot diverse wildlife, and experience the vibrant colors of fall foliage. 15. The White Mountains, New Hampshire, Rugged Mountains, pristine lakes, and charming villages nestled amidst the scenery make the White Mountains a popular year-round destination. Hike to the summit of Mount Washington, the highest peak in the northeastern U.S., take a scenic train ride through the Crawford Notch State Park, or enjoy winter sports at world-class ski resorts. 16. The Pacific Coast Highway, California, This iconic road trip route winds along the dramatic California coastline, offering breathtaking ocean views and a taste of coastal charm. Stop at charming towns like Carmel by the Sea and Santa Barbara, explore tide pools teeming with life, and witness the beauty of sunsets over the Pacific Ocean. 17. Death Valley National Park, California, A land of extremes, Death Valley National Park boasts the lowest point in North America and scorching summer temperatures. Explore otherworldly landscapes like Badwater Basin and Zabriskie Point, hike through colorful canyons, and experience the stark beauty of this desert wilderness. 18. Savannah, Georgia, steeped in southern charm and draped in Spanish moss, Savannah is a delight for history and architecture buffs. Wander through historic squares lined with elegant mansions, take a horse-drawn carriage ride, and explore the vibrant art scene. 19. Crater Lake National Park, Oregon, A collapsed volcano filled with a deep blue lake, Crater Lake is a sight to behold. Hike to the rim for breathtaking views, explore the surrounding wilderness, and witness the unique beauty of this natural wonder. 20. The Arches National Park, Utah, over 2,000 natural sandstone arches create a surreal landscape in Arches National Park. Marvel at iconic formations like Delicate Arch and Landscape Arch, hike through towering canyons, and experience the vastness of the Utah desert. Here are 10 more breathtaking destinations in the USA, offering a wider variety of experiences. 21. The Everglades National Park, Florida. Embark on an airboat tour through the vast wetlands teeming with alligators, crocodiles, and diverse bird life. Hike through cypress swamps or kayak through mangrove forests, experiencing the unique ecosystem of the River of Grass. 22. The Dry Tortugas National Park, Florida. Accessible only by ferry or seaplane, this remote island chain offers a glimpse into Civil War history. Explore Fort Jefferson, the largest brick fort in the Americas, snorkel vibrant coral reefs, and soak up the tranquility of this secluded paradise. 23. The Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. Jagged mountain peaks reflected in pristine lakes create a scene of unparalleled beauty in Grand Teton National Park. Hike or bike along scenic trails, spot wildlife like elk and moose, and capture breathtaking photos of the iconic Teton Range. 24. The Olympic National Park, Washington, a land of diverse ecosystems, Olympic National Park boasts towering mountains, lush rain forests, dramatic coastlines, and wildflower meadows. Hike through the whole rainforest, explore tide pools teeming with life, and witness the beauty of glaciers like the Olympic Mountains. 25. The Antelope Canyon, Arizona. Sunlight filtering through narrow slots in the sandstone creates a mesmerizing spectacle in Antelope Canyon. Embark on a guided tour through the Upper Antelope Canyon or Lower Antelope Canyon, marveling at the vibrant colors and unique formations. This is just a taste of the incredible beauty that awaits you across the USA. For detailed travel guides, insider tips on hidden gems, and budget-friendly itineraries, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Start planning your American adventure today and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime.